Hello friends, today in one more interesting video I am going to show the unboxing of my new headphones. Just now I cut the tape. These are the new Samsung headphones which I bought. It costs around 400, but in offer I bought this for 275. This looks very good and they have packed it in a plastic cover and given to me. Oh, it's taking so much time to open this. Yeah, somehow I opened this. This looks very good and it is very durable and strong, and I think so I hope it works very good. So okay, I think so you like this video, so please subscribe my channel. If you want a link of these headphones, you can ask me in description. I will, without hesitating, I will send it.